If the Delhi blast was a terrorist incident and investigative agencies have found links to the Jaish-e-Mohammed, why didn't India name and condemn Pakistan immediately? In April, when terrorists attacked tourists in Pahalgam, within a day, India took diplomatic actions against Pakistan. But this time, it has been cautious. Yesterday evening, the government said that the Delhi blast was a heinous terror incident perpetrated by anti national forces. Investigative agencies have traced the links of this blast to Jaish e Mohammed, a terror group that Pakistan has backed. And when a blast was reported in Islamabad a day after the Delhi blast, Pakistan quickly blamed India. Now, India dismissed the allegation, but we still didn't hit back with, listen, what about you? So, why this caution? In May 2025, India launched Operation Sindoor on Pakistan, saying it is harboring terrorists who attack India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had then announced that any future terror attack would be seen as an act of war. But since Operation Sindoor and the ceasefire announced later, the international environment has also changed. India's ties with the US have weakened. Trump has been repeating that he brokered this peace while India has denied. Trump has cornered India over Russian ties. And meanwhile, Pakistan has been cozying up to Trump, nominating him for a Nobel Peace Prize. So now, if indeed India blames Pakistan, then India will be expected to treat this as an act of war and take some military action. And without solid US backing, this could be a risky move. So maybe that is why this time India is choosing words very carefully, because saying who did it could decide what happens next.